Years of research and development, months of field testing, and hours upon hours of learning what the community wants has all led to this, a true drop-in turbocharger upgrade for the 10th generation Honda Civic Type R. With more boost comes more responsibility, and that is a responsibility we took upon ourselves. In this video, I am super excited to give you all the details on a brand new drop-in kit for the 2017 to 2021 Honda Civic Type R Turbo, and introduce you to what we are calling Kuro, K-U-R-O, the FK turbocharger from 271 Honda Performance. 100% drop-in fitment, a ball-bearing center section, and a billet compressor wheel are just a handful of the key features that make up this 100% brand new drop-in unit. The less friction involved within the CHRA helps improve durability and can also increase spool characteristics. Both things we know you're going to love and want for your FK8. To help keep response times quick and efficiently manage the air going into the unit, we use a specifically designed point-milled 8-blade wheel. By using this method of machining, we're able to incorporate a unique design profile that allows us to move more air than a traditionally designed wheel. This, in turn, helps us make much more power. The exducers also increased by 15% from 58 to 67 millimeters to help move more air. And moving air is the name of the game. We want to move as much as we can, and an increase in size here is key. Now, let's talk power. The Kuro Turbo makes for the perfect drop-in for the street and the road circuit. Gains of over 50 wheel horsepower and 45 foot-pound torque are totally realized with the appropriate supporting mods on this unit. Even on a 100% stock fuel system, we saw gains of over 20 horsepower. With the full suite of bolt-ons and correct fueling, the Kuro can easily surpass 500 horsepower mark, making it a fierce contender both on the track and on the street. Of course, it's not a 271 product if we don't give you the tools and assets you need for a simple bolt-on upgrade. Studs, nuts, gaskets are always included, and of course, our Suzuki mobile app is right in your hand to make this a super easy install. On behalf of me and my team here at 271, we are super excited to bring this drop-in turbocharger for the FK8. I really appreciate you guys tuning in. My name is Vincent, and we'll catch you guys next time.